Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining Wyatt and I for another video. Wyatt's here, he's awake, it's the evening, and we're ready to bring you a video. I'm Laura, and I don't know if you could hear Wyatt talk, but Wyatt just said hi. Zena, she's off duty for the evening. She's decided she's had enough, so she's not going to be joining us today, but she is here most of the time. Super excited because I am always excited about something to share for you. But my Bolzano handbag subscription is here. I love this subscription. It is so fun. If you guys are not familiar with the Bolzano handbag subscription, it is super fun because for an incredibly reasonable price, you get a handmade handbag sent to you every single month with lots of other goodies, depending on what subscription you pick. And what I have in this bag is the Lux Plus offer, which means that it includes a body lift cellulite control cream by Clarins. Yes! So I can't wait to dig in and see that. And just that cream is valued at $69. So you can pay $148 to get this subscription for 3 months, and you will get all of the Luxe goodies, which is a handbag along with beauty and accessories, which I'm going to show you each month for 3 months, $148. And of course, I do have a code for you. So if you wanted to get this subscription, if you use my code, which is Little Box Gift, which you no longer have to put in the search anymore. Now you can use it as a promo code when you check out, and you will get a free gift. All right, let's dig in. All right, I'm gonna cut this open. Now, as I mentioned, this one is the Lux Plus, so it's about $49 a month. You can also get just the Lux, which is handbag, accessories, and beauty items, so you don't get that extra Clarins beauty product. It's $43.95 a month. And you can also choose to just get the handbag and accessories for $33.95. So you do have lots of options, and I will put all the information down below for you to go to their site and check it out, as well as put my code down below so you can get that free gift if you decide to sign up. All right, here is my pretty bag. Ooh, wait till you see this one for summer. Check this out. This is my little bag. Love my little tag. It says, "You deserve to be spoiled." Oh, I need to savor this. Wait till you guys see this. You're going to love it. All right, let's do this. I can't wait for you to see this color. I didn't get to see the bag, but I did peek at the color. Is this not perfect for summer? I love it. Hopefully it's coming across on camera right. It is the prettiest pink. I love it. So it's just pale enough to go with everything. So you can almost call this a neutral. I love the detail that they put into these bags. It is gorgeous. So I love this extra little detail and the grommets. I love it. She even put them on the bottom, which I love in case you need to put your bag on the floor. You don't want it to just sit there and get marked up. So those extra little feet are perfect. Keep it just off the floor so as not to mark up. This is so, and this is heavy. There's so many goodies in here. I can tell already. She always does do the little Bolzano emblem. I love Leilani at Bolzano handbags. She puts so much effort into these bags. There should be a little card in here that tells you about the bags. A lot of times they do come in different colors. So if you didn't like your color, you can normally ask to request to switch your color. For no additional charge, I do not believe. So pretty. I love it. I love, love, love it. This is just, the leather feels wonderful. I'm sure it is vegan leather. I love it. Here it has the zip top. Oh, and I've got so many goodies in here. Oh, wait till I show you the inside. So let me take the goodies out. It does have the extra long straps in case you want to do a crossbody or want the bigger shoulder strap. Otherwise, this will fit on your shoulder perfectly. All right. Get all this plastic out. Okay, so here's what the inside looks like. It does have the middle compartment that completely zips shut. I wanted to show you how big. It's a nice, decent size. I like the bigger bags because on a daily basis I carry just a small crossbody. But when I travel or go anywhere for a long period of time, I do like a bigger bag that I could fit my laptop, my iPad. Sometimes I even throw my crossbody inside a bag that's about this size. I love this. So I'm looking for any pockets. There is a zipper pocket inside the zippered compartment here. So there is a zippered piece in a little pocket right inside here. I love this. The color is just amazing. So, so pretty. Love it. $49 for the bag. You get the extra strap, and I have all kinds of goodies here. Here it is. All right. Congratulations on signing up to receive surprises and style each month. This month we've chosen our Angela especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $175. Angela is part of our latest collection. It comes in taupe, fog, and pink. What we love about this bag. So here's what I'm reading. So I want you guys to see that. So it does come in 2 other colors. So it has the sleek metallic finish, adjustable crossbody straps, 3 divisions inside. Has an inside zipper, which I showed you, the removable inside pouch, which we're going to talk about here in just a minute. I think that's what they mean. And the structured shape. There's nothing else I don't think that is removable. Or oh, this is the removable inside pouch. Check this out. I did miss this. So this must come off here on the side. Yes, so this does lift off, come off on both sides. So I missed that. And the inside comes out. What? Okay, so I missed that. How cool. I love it. I love that. And it's easy. You just put to put it back, you just put that right through the little hole and it fits right back over the little tab. Nice and easy. And I love it. This is the first time I'm doing it, so maybe not nice and easy for me. There we go. It is nice and easy. I love it. So cool. I missed that it was removable, so I'm glad I read that for you guys. Okay, this is cool. I got it back in. I love it. Okay, and then it does say that if you want a different color or style, you can always exchange your bag for a different color or style. If the bag sent was not within your selected preference, the exchange is complimentary. If it was within your preference and you still would like to exchange it, you just pay for the shipping. And if you'd like, if you would like different attributes in the product as well, you can access your styling profile by visiting at any time. So you can always let them know and you can switch it out. Okay, all right, that's the bag. I love it. So, so cute, the Angela. So there's goodies here. All right, so let's talk about this little bag that came inside it as part of my extras. So you get accessories and beauty products with the Lux Plus, which is what I have here. And I got Sea Smader. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. All right. Look at this. I love it already. Okay, so this is gorgeous. And I think that you could wear this as a necklace or as a bracelet. So I'm already loving this. And I want to make sure what it says here about it. Please prevent any contact of this drawer with water, humidity, or perfume. And Smader Eliasaf, I know I'm saying that wrong, so I am so sorry. This is made in Israel. Is a renowned designer known for distinctive jewelry for today's woman. So it's very unique. I absolutely love this. This is gorgeous. I love it. And it has a little hook, so you can just hook it. You don't have to even clasp it. It's just a nice little hook. Can you see that? Hopefully I'm showing that to you. And I think this is so pretty. I think you could wear it as a necklace. Yeah. I like that that's an S for his name, right? For the hook. Okay, so here's what it looks like as a necklace. Isn't that pretty? I like it. I love the little gold detail. Almost looks like little leaves hanging off of it, but it's very pretty. And I like all the little strands. Really pretty. Okay, I'm going to see if I can wear it as a bracelet also, because I loved how it was like wrapped around. And there's a really pretty piece on it here. Can you see that? With all the little nice little stone here. So let me see what I can do. Okay, I got this on as a bracelet and I absolutely love it. So now you can see this pretty stone on there, the gold a little bit better. I wrapped it around several times and kind of got a little bit tight so it would stay in place because I wanted that stone to stay in place. But I had to use my right hand because I'm right-handed to put on my left hand. So I might try when I want to wear it, because I like to wear bracelets on my right hand to get my husband to help me put it on. But I thought it's beautiful. Just beautiful. It looks nice all the way around with all the pretty gold detail. It doesn't dangle so low that I think it would be a problem. I just think it's gorgeous. But you could wear it as a necklace also. I think it looks pretty that way. I love it. Love it. Okay, I still have more goodies in my little bag here. I have 2 nail polishes from Revlon. I have a nice pinky color for right now. I have a darker color for evening wear or for going into fall. Love these. I think these are both very pretty. Royal Flush and Queen of Hearts. Awesome. And looks like I have the matching lip gloss to go with it. Long lasting gloss wear. Also, this is by Clinique. Love these colors. In fact, this one kind of matches my nail polish. So pretty. That was what it was in my accessories and my beauty bag. I love all my items. And then I also have this Clarins lift. It's the body lift cellulite control, targets early and stubborn cellulite, smooths, firms, and refines. And this was valued at $69 all by itself. And I really want to try this. Oh, I really do. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is full size, 6.9 ounces. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Can't wait to give this a try. Hopefully it works. If you guys have tried it, please let me know. Excited about that one. So I also got tattoos. Check this out. All right, so these are by Lulu DK. Lulu DK. All right, we have to check these out, guys. Oh, check these out. I love this. They're all in silver. Let me look. Silver and gold. I have silver and gold. And I'm assuming these are all, yes, these are all obviously temporary. And you just have to remove and apply. Hold against your skin with a wet cloth for about 30 seconds and then rinse. And then if you want to remove, you just use rubbing alcohol. How awesome is that? Who wants to get a little wild? I love it. They even have the kind like that it can go around your ankle or your arm. I think that is fun. I think these are so fun. Look how dolled up she is around the wrist, around her arm. You could have some major fun with this. I love it. Okay, guys, you have to admit this is a super fun subscription. Love it. Okay, I love it. I got me some tattoos. I'm going to be rocking these. I got me my bracelet. How beautiful is this? But it also could be a necklace. Got my beauty products and my little feed bag to put it in. Not one, but 2 lipsticks and 2 nail polishes. And my Clarins Cellulite cream, because I need this. It better work. And my beautiful bag. I'm going to be pretty in pink for my next outfit. I love it all. Okay, guys, I will put all this information down below so you can check it out for yourself. I will put my discount code as well, because if you do sign up and you use that code, you will get a free gift. And until next time, please hit that like, please hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you, because my subscribers are the best. You guys rock. Please stay healthy and well, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.